The process of making an emote is easy. That's why today I'm going to teach you my process for creating some emotes. Step 1. Size your canvas. I personally keep it in a 500 by 500 pixels, but you can go higher with the pixels, just keep the height and width the same size. If you're going to do a lot of emotes, I recommend using a big canvas and pasting your emote canvas there. I'm using Clip Studio Paint. I am not sure if other drawing applications can also do this, but if your drawing application can, I highly recommend it. Step 2. Sketching. It's up to you if you want to make your sketch messy, but make sure you understand it. Personally, I like sketching on different layers so I can easily erase something if I'm not confident with it. I also recommend not putting a lot of details in your drawing since not all of it is going to be visible. Step 3. Line art. In this phase, I use Turnip Pen on Clip Studio since it's thicker compared to the G Pen to make the lines on the emotes more visible. If you have thicker brushes, I suggest you use them. Step 4. Coloring. Most of the emotes don't need to be fully rendered. That's why I use a technique called cell shading to make the emotes feel more interactive. You can also use cell shading in your other drawings. There's a lot of videos on how to achieve that style. Step 5. The final step. Test your emotes. If you're going to use your emotes on Discord, then the quality should be fine if you keep it at 500 by 500 pixels. In Twitch, however, it's a different story. I use applet.dev to see if the emotes are okay or if something needs to be changed. I also use Twitch Emote Resizer for the canvas size that is allowed on Twitch. Don't worry, I'm going to put all the websites that I use in the description. So that's it. I hope you learned something. Please donate to my coffee, it will help me a lot. And if you like the video, please subscribe.